Students, now I will discuss about hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation, it is a kind of delocalization. It is a kind of delocalization or interaction between p orbitals or we can say pi system and adjacent sigma bond of the substituents in the organic molecule. Okay. Let's take one simple example, say ethyl radical CH3 CH2 plus. So we can write this CH3 CH2 plus in this way. So here is one positive charge, that is means it is deficient with one electron and have a vacant p orbital. Then what could take place? This alpha hydrogen or this one or this one, any one of the alpha hydrogen, they may leave its electron to the carbon atom. So this adjacent hydrogen can give its electron to the adjacent carbon atom, forming this, and in such case what would happen? This pair of electron will combine with the adjacent carbon, forming a pi bond, and can form such molecule. So this hydrogen will leave its electron and give it to the carbon, and this p orbital having two electrons can combine with this vacant p orbital to form a pi bond. This effect is called as hyperconjugative effect. Let's take one more example. So take this molecule. What is this? This is propene. So this hydrogen means HCH, CH, double bond CH2. This hydrogen may break and give its electron to it, and it can combine with this p orbital to form double bond here, this one having H plus. Then this pi bond will break and this electron will move to this side and form this such type of entity. Again, another hydrogen can also participate in resonance by forming such structure, leading to many resonating structures. Such type of phenomena is called as hyperconjugative effect. Thank you.